Hello, I'm on a 2013 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you how to add brake fluid. So first you open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should see this reservoir is for your brake fluid. And then on the side you should see a full line and then a minimum line. So typically you want it pretty close to this max line, but not completely full. There is supposed to be a little air gap. But let's say you do need some, you just take this cap off, and then straight from your liquid jug of brake fluid, just add as needed. You could use a funnel if you need. And then double check your owner's manual, a good online source, that the liquid you've got's the best match for your make and model. But you'll just fill this relatively close to this max line, and then screw this back on nice and tight. And then also for this system, you typically never need to add fluid, so definitely double check around the reservoir and through the lines for any possible leaks or cracks that need addressed. But otherwise, hopefully this helped, and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.